hopefully after this video you will fully understand how you can stack your trades correctly in order to maximize your profits and also take advantage of the current market movement that is moving in the correct direction for you to maximize your profit potential out of a given setup. So without wasting any more time, guys, let's go on to the chart so that I can show you guys how you can stack your trades correctly. If you find value in this video and this content, please do give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also comment down below with your questions. Let's go on to the charts now, guys.
Today I'm using MetaTrader to demonstrate this stacking technique that I've shown you in a video before. Yeah, this stacking technique is something that I use to enter multiple trades if I want to enter multiple trades. Like you can see here on the screen recording that of those trades that I stacked some time back. Yeah, I'll show you that right now how to do that safely, without ruining your account. Okay, now this can work on any account size, but when you are trading or when you're trying to stack on a very small account, guys, it is really difficult, mostly if your account is below $50. Like if you have an account of $30, $20 and all that, it is very risky to stack trades, because any small retracement of the market can actually blow your account. Okay, so it's very difficult to stack on small account, but any account size above $50 you can stack, starting from a 0.01 lot, and then you keep on stacking going up ahead. Okay, so what I don't want you guys to do in stacking, for example, if you've entered your trade, for example, let's say you've entered a sell at this point here, okay, in the market. Let me just change this to a color that is good enough or clear enough. Okay, let's use white. Yeah, for example, you enter your first trade here. Okay, when you enter your first trade here, look, I think you guys can notice that the market just doesn't push to the downside after you enter. The market gives you this green retracement candles going up. So if you're a kind of person who likes entering many positions or stacking many positions, you'd just be entering positions here. As the market is trying to move down, you'll be entering these positions. So these green candles here, if your account is small and you've entered so many positions here at once, what these green candles will do is that they will just cause your account to go in a big drawdown, where you will actually end up blowing your account. So what I always advise the people or the members that have actually trained how to trade Forex is, when you entering trades or when you want to stack trades or you want to scale into positions, okay, what I want you to do is I want you to scale in at a correct pricing level. Okay, for example, let's use this area here. Let's use this area to give us a better understanding of how to do it. Okay, for example, you see this big bearish engulfing candle here. Okay, you enter your trade here. Okay, and then you come and enter many positions here. Okay, you're stacking many positions here. You're entering so many positions here. Okay, you're entering many. Let's say you're entering 30-40 positions here. Okay, as you're seeing the market is pushing down, you're busy entering positions. Okay, you're entering positions on that bearish candle. You're just entering positions. Okay, those two bearish candles, you're entering positions. Now what mostly happens is, when you enter these many positions down like this, the market will give you some profit. Okay, and then look at the green candles, how they start pushing the market up. I don't want you guys to be caught up in this kind of trading. Okay, I don't want you to be caught up in this kind of trading. All right, I want you to be safe while you enter or stack your positions. I'm going to show you how to do this. So what I always do, or what I advise my students to do, is when you enter this first trade, okay, when you enter that first trade, this one here, okay, this trade, when you enter this first trade, don't enter another trade until you see a bullish candle close, okay. The next trades you're going to be stacking onto this one should be on bullish candles closes, okay. Now you enter a sell on every close of a bullish candle, okay. Now you see here, you enter one more trade, the market pushes up against you, you can add another trade there. The market pushes up against you, you can add another trade there. What you're doing is that you're getting these trades at good prices. I know some of you will argue that yes, you're entering on a retracement or you're entering as the market is going up, but that is the idea of stacking, okay. You enter at bullish candles closes, okay. You just enter your trade there. What you're doing here, you're getting in at better price, okay. Those green candles closes are higher prices where you are selling from, okay. Now depending on how big, that's why I told you a small account may not handle this kind of trading, okay. You need an account of at least $50, right? And then you keep on adding in your positions, 0.01 positions onto these candles as they close, okay. The green ones, not the red ones. You stack as the market is going in the other direction like this, okay. So you keep on adding one position at every bullish candles close like this, okay. Now I want you to see why I'm telling you this, okay. Now here you've entered 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 positions. You have 14 positions here, but the most losing positions are down here, okay. And these other positions are not losing as much as these ones down here, okay. So you have your risk well stretched out, okay. You have your risk well stretched out, because if you were entering all of them down here, you would have all of them having almost the same kind of loss. For example, if one of these is negative $2, okay, $2, then most of these would be around $2, $2.2 times 13 positions. That would be like $26 negative, okay. By the time the market is up here, you'd be almost 20 something dollars negative, okay. But now since you have spread out the risk and getting in at better prices, you will have a risk that is lower than $26. You may have a floating risk of around $9 or $8 by this time, okay. So if you still have some margin on your account, you can still enter on these other bullish candles closes here, okay. As the market is going down, you can keep on entering more positions here. Now remember that when the market now continues down like this, all these positions on top here, okay, all these positions on top are now in profit, okay. And these ones here, the positions up here, by the time the market comes to this level here, this, let me show you, by the time the market reaches here, all these positions above the red line, okay, are in profit. They are in profit, and only these ones below are in negative. So the profit up here will hedge out the loss down here. So here you will be mostly at break even, okay. But just imagine as the price moves down now and puts all these trades above the red line, you will be in profit, and you'll be in a lot of profit because all these trades now are in profit, okay. Now you can see that you can now be able to take, for example, your profit at this previous low here. See this area, you can now take your profit there, okay. And then you can continue scaling in if you want. You can continue adding sells on every green candle here, just like you did on the other ones. Like you add a sell there on the green, add a sell on the green, okay, add a sell on the green. On all these green candles, you can add sells, 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 okay. Just you can add sells, okay. You can add sells there. when the market pushes down to this area here, like here, you close all of these trades up here, and then you are in profit. Guys, this is the only video that explains the stacking properly. It is the only one that will explain to you how to stack properly. If you've been watching up to now, I thank you for watching, and I hope you guys take value from this. Okay, hope you take value from this. Yeah, if you have any other questions you want to ask, you can ask them. I'll be able to come back with another video and basically answer you guys. So guys, go and you start using this technique for stacking. I was not supposed to share this. I only share this with the guys who are in my paid course, but I decided to give it to you guys as a YouTube family because you guys have been so supportive of my channel. Thank you guys.
So there you have it, guys. That is the method that you can use to stack your trades safely and correctly to see yourself growing your account slowly but systematically to a bigger account. Hope you guys found value. If you found value, please do give a like on the video, subscribe, and also comment down below. Also, go and join the free Telegram, links in the description down below. Go and use the links that you see in the description of this video. They will help you. They are of value, and some of them are affiliate links. If you use some of them, like to buy some things like cameras, laptop, or anything, some of the things that I'm using for these videos, if you use like some of those links to buy those things from Amazon, definitely I'll get a commission. So thank you guys. Until next time, peace and out.